Coulda, woulda, shoulda, but you didn't. Why does that keep happening? Where we make an intention, we set a goal for ourselves and we get into it for a couple of days and then kerplunk, we fall off the wagon, we fall off our intention, we fall off that goal, that mission, that vision that we hold so dearly and want so badly, but don't seem to have the energy to sustain. I've got good news for you. This meditation is to address exactly that. It uses a mantra and a mudra. It's from the world of Kundalini Yoga, and it is potent, powerful, and effective. And if you practice this every day for 40 days, wow, what a difference will happen in your life. But first, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. I've been on YouTube for about 10 years at the time of this recording and teaching Kundalini Yoga for about 15 years. I run a teacher training program where I teach you the best of the best and how to use this technology for your brightest future and for your greatest potential. And that's my mission, is to make sure that you have the resources to feel into your life and to feel good about the choices you make. So without further ado, let's begin. Find yourself in a comfortable position. We're going to be keeping a tall, straight spine. And the reason for that is to make sure that the nervous system is alert and also the energy is flowing from the base of your spine all the way up through the top of your head so that the frequency that we're creating starts to impact the world around you. Keep your feet focused on the floor if you're sitting in a chair or on the sofa like I am, or you can take a cross-legged position, however way you feel comfortable. Take a moment now to set your intention. I invite you to close your eyes, breathe deeply, and all the places that you have put your energy, where you have allowed your energy to roam, call all of that back to you now. Bring yourself to awareness. And we'll add on now by placing the palms together at the center of your chest. Sit up tall and straight. Close your eyes and focus all of your energy inward. We begin this practice with a mantra, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the teacher within. I call on my highest consciousness. I am awake, alert, and aware. Inhale very deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, and let's tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo Om Namo Gurudev Namo Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale very deeply. Set your intentions for today's practice. And here is to move through any blocks that you have for achieving your dreams. Moving through the couldn't, the shouldn't, and the wouldn't. Good. Relax your hands down. I'm going to show you the mudra first. And here, I'm just going to hold my hands up and remember that I'm opposite facing from where you are. Pull down your baby finger and your ring finger and hold that down with your thumb. Lock this in place. And then take your middle finger and wrap it around your index finger, just like that. I'll show you another view. So middle finger crosses over the index finger, and this is our mudra. So relax your shoulder now and keep this mudra here, just by your shoulders, in between your ears and your shoulders. So it should be very relaxed and elbows are hugging into the ribs. Close your eyes now, focus just about the tip of your nose and close your eyes. Good. And from here, we start to chant a mantra. The mantra is har, Har. All the mantra that we're using comes from the sacred language of Gurmukhi. And this language belongs to the Sikh tradition, the Sikh faith. And we are using it today in this Kundalini yoga practice to generate the energy of creation. Har, Har. So closing down the eyes, let's begin now. Har, 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 har. Inhale very deeply. Through the mouth, exhale. Inhale very deeply. Hold. Exhale. And one more time, take a deep inhale. Hold, hold, hold. And exhale. Release the mudra. Bring your hands all the way down to your knees. Take a moment, feel that rhythm, the movement, the mantra, the mudra, feel all of it now start to percolate through your body. Feel everything above you and below shifting to meet your new energetic set point. And whatever you've intended now starts to make its way towards you. Well done. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. We close now with a long sat, short nam. Truth is my name in the sacred language of Gurmukhi. Sitting up tall and straight, giving yourself a little smile here for the work that you put in to move through. I couldn't, I didn't. Inhale very deeply. Sa. Nam. Please ground yourself, bring your forehead and your palms to the ground, closing off the energy of this practice. And as always, like and share and follow for more. And if any of those other options sound interesting to you, Kundalini Yoga teacher training, any of our digital products, or even a numerology consult, all the links are below in the description box. Lots of love. Until next time, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist.